Welcome everyone to Use Dictation. Let's enable it by opening up the settings, and inside of the settings I want you to locate where it says General, and in General you're going to see Keyboard. So let's select the keyboard, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, and where dictation is, I want you to enable dictation and then enable dictation again. So if I open up an app, let's say the Notes app, you're going to see we have this microphone symbol here. On iPhones with a home button, the symbol will be here instead. So I'm going to tap on the microphone and everything I say will be converted to text. So I'm going to do this one now. So test 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. And what's great about dictation on the newer software is you can speak whatever you want. So I'm just going to say 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then you can start typing on the keyboard if you want to type something on the keyboard. So let's say, and then I can go back to using my voice here. On the older iPhones which don't support this feature, if you use the dictation, you can see you can only use your voice, and it won't let you use your voice and the keyboard at the same time. So you'd have to tap on the keyboard icon here, then you have to resume typing, then you'd have to go back into dictation. That's something to keep in mind. And on the newer devices, if we want to stop the dictation, we'll just tap on the microphone here, like so. One thing to note is the new dictation does not work in all apps. So I'm in the search here, and if I tap the dictation, you can see I only have the option to speak. I can't type and then speak. I have to manually select the keyboard. So if you aren't seeing this, so you aren't seeing the option to speak and type at the same time, that means that input field does not support the feature. But just check the Notes app. This is where you can check if the feature is available on your device. And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.